I vlog. Yo,
Yo.
yo brother. Yo English. Eating. Yo. Yo. Vlog. Mimi.
Shut up. Oh, I don't know. I forgot.
Yo, follow Instagram.
Oh, SCRZD.
Yes. Yo, YouTube.
Oh, I don't do YouTube.
Yo, shout out. Yo, shout out. Yes. Yo, camera ki. Yo, camera. Shout out.
I don't
Yo,
know.
camera.
I don't remember
Ano bro?
the name.
Meme.
Nah, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
No, shut up.
No shout out.
It's okay.
Yumi Jobian. You followers. Channel. Me.
How many?
Yes.
Me?
Yes. Yo, guys, ito si Walker, yo vlog. Walker ba?
Yeah.
Walker sa Amerika.
Yeah.
Ito. Ay vlog mo na. Ay vlog. Sing hindi. Hi vlog.
I vlog.
Yo, your vlog, yo antar boy.
I'm
Bye-bye.
not altar boy. You altar boy.
Yes. Ito, Walker vlog. Walker vlog.
Not right now.
Yo beach.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yo beach. Ayun yung beach.
Yeah.
Do you America? Yeah. Yo there. Yo Bisaya. O Waray. Di ka marunong. Di ka may Bisaya.
What do you mean?
Yo Bisaya.
Yeah. What is Saya?
Yo Summer.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Like live here?
Yes.
No.
No.
Only visit.
Yo English.
Yeah.
Good.
I speak you know Native American?
Yes.
I speak Native American.
Good. You don't know yo America.
Indigenous
Yo school.
school. I graduated.
Reddit. You ate ngasal?
No, not yet. Maybe tomorrow or when we go back to Manila.
Tomorrow?
No,
19?
June 19th. So like 13 days.
Yes. Yo beach? You beach? Yun?
Yeah.
You swimming?
Swimming? Yeah. I swam in this morning at like 8 a.m.
Yes.
So green buko drink, and then brown
Yes.
eat.
Eat.
Oh my
God!
How do you say good Tagalog or what? Right?
Tagalog.
How do you say good?
Good.
No, how do you say good?
Good.
No, like in Tagalog,
Yes.
you good. Like how do you say?
Kain.
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 Is eat.
Mm.
What about like
Kain tayo. Ngasal.
sarap?
Yes.
Is that what that is? Okay, good.
Yummy.
Okay. So
Buko.
brown buko sarap.
Yummy. Do you know vlog? Vlogger?
Huh?
Vlogger?
You?
Yes.
You look?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, nanonood. This yo vlog.
Huh?
Followers nanonood sa'yo.
How many followers?
Yes.
I have? I only have like 400.
Good. Yo gaming? Yo Roblox?
I play Apex Legends.
Yo bot? Yan? Bot?
What? Yeah, I got what?
Yes.
Wrong City.
City?
Yeah. how do you say boat?
Boat.
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Yung bangka.
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 Bangka. So
Bangka. Boat.
bangka. Ng Morongan Sea.
Yes.
Is that good? No.
Good.
How do you say there to here?
Here.
Morongan.
Morongan. Puro. And 9.
No, but what's the like here to there? What is that? Like I came here.
Can here.
What's that in Tagalog?
Tagalog.
That's like
Puro.
puro?
Ando.
Ando? But like no, what is like travel? Like
Pupunta dito.
Huh?
Pupunta dito.
punta dito?
Mm.
So
Pupunta dito sa bangka.
punta dito ng
Bangka.
pangkat.
Mm.
Ano?
Ando.
Wait,
Doon sa pantalan.
pantalan? What is that?
Pantalan. Tudoong.
The dock?
Tudoong.
That's a boat?
Yes.
Boat park? Yeah.
Yawaray. Nakadidideha burunggan. Pantalan.
Tagalog, like waray, probably little too. Little. How do you say little?
Here.
Like how do you say small? Tagalog.
Small.
No, how do you
Tagalog.
say Tagalog, like Tagalog or small.
Yo, Tagalog.
Like
Dito. Dito.
non Tagalog, like
English. Maliit.
maliit, small,
Hmm.
maliit. So like maliit,
Maliit.
maliit.
Hindi tatangkad yan. Hindi ito tatangkad. Hindi yan matangkad.
What?
Bukas na matangkad yan. Mas muaga.
So it'd be like, how do you say dog?
Dog.
Puppy. Tagalog.
Tagalog. Doggy.
Doggy.
Yes.
Doggy.
Aso.
Aso.
Yes.
Okay. How do you say gusto? Gusto aso.
Gusto aso.
Yeah.
Dog.
Wait, so how do you say small? Small again? I forgot. Like small. Tagalog. I'm Tagalog. Small.
Maliit.
Maliit. So it would be gusto.
Yo, dog. Yun, dog. Aso maliit. Malaki.
Aso maliit. Small.
Yes. Yo, buko nut. Buko. Yes.
Gusto ko buko.
Buko. Charot. Yo, beach. Yo, beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. You swimming?
Yeah. Gusto ko swimming. Maliit. Maliit.
Yes.
So, maliit.
Guys, Senator brother sa Iglesia America. Guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, ito.
Yeah.
Pangalan to si Walker. Ang gwapo. Walker, excuse peeping. Shout out muna yan. Shout out.